I'm going to show you how to create a Starbucks account and sign up for rewards. Now, the first thing you need to do is if you don't have the Starbucks app, you will be needing to get it. But once you do have the app, you're simply going to want to open it and you'll be brought to this screen right here. Now, once you're on the screen, you simply want to sign in if you have an account or join now right here. And when you click on this, you want to enter in your email, password, as well as if you have any gift card or not. But once you enter in all of this information, you click on create account down here. Once you click on create account option, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can save your password and you can actually see we've just signed up for rewards. But how we use the rewards is you actually want to go to this QR code right here, which you can actually scan at the store and redeem points when you pay. And basically every dollar that you spend earns 1 point. And as you can see right here, this is how many points I have. 400 points is the max reward. And as you can see, if you want to redeem these points, all you do is you click on details and you can actually see it'll give you a reason on exactly how many points you actually have to earn these different rewards. 25 is a customizable drink, 100 is a brewed beverage, and etc. But basically you also get a treat on your birthday, and that's how you sign up for rewards. And you can see there's special offers down here if there are certain deals at Starbucks at the moment, so they keep you coming in. But as you can see, this is how you use rewards in the Starbucks app. And how you can actually earn rewards twice as fast is we can actually go to our scan option right here, the QR code. And mine might be blurred just because it's screen recording, but you click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner where you can actually add credits. Just add like $10 and you get double the points. So you get 20 points for $10. Usually it's $1 per point, but you can basically reload your card in here. And as you can see, you will get double points. And you can pay with this at checkout in person or just on the app if you want to order in advance for the drive-thru.